Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Na Kwame Duncan te unsa nifaso. Kwame Duncan, former Central Regional Minister. Now, he gave us very interesting insights. Senator or a regional minister,
sure.
The region so elbuho.
Yeah.
Na okay, problem but point blank. Also look, Galamsey no yini na yini mbati into me nkase.
Yeah.
Politicians ka ho, ahemfo ka ho, security for ka ho.
Yes.
Local nkrofo na nkasa susu ka ho.
Yes.
Businessmen ka ho.
Yes.
Inti se just sabi se na mo ka ya boy enu bidie.
Yes.
Say we won't get anywhere.
We won't get anywhere.
Because from his point of view, no, ejuma or yeah, ne reports a ban in him no. Now you can't cry if a boom abem kakra or say new minister no has inherited the same problem. Into no problems on go through as minister. Ni otimi and the new minister Iran refined, forgive me. Anyway, Dina Baba, she's inherited the same problems.
Yeah.
So she's going to go through that cycle again. Yeah. Western region, the same minister. So continuous inheritance of the problem. What do we do?
No, Chairman, I think
I tell me, say this final onslaught. Is that the panacea? I know never swan.
And Americano, the success of the ECOSUS it depends on sustainability. Ye ne gidigidi na afi ombe dwane ye be chichi ebi mu ye be shi equipment ni bi and all of that we nyina emo bohu. But if we are unable to sustain it after a while ombe hu say see the leadership atwada they've gone back to sleep nti ye betimi akọ say sa na ye ne amewu no nkrofo ye no I was excited because now I said nyoma koso. You know, we're getting results and all of that. But after a while, who say as a opinion for to see the Omadrin shutdown and so they started returning slowly. And Chairman, they got so emboldened to the point that me who documentary be joy for the I was alarmed. Says they even have some security personnel in their employ. Like we are employer it's Unkrofun to come and protect them. Unkrofo is omu boy environment no hoban no. Omu mom na say they are providing services to this Galamsey.
Yes, Kasem.
Chairman Sikasem min tiasie. Won because state security agency there. We are them providing protection for obia or committee crimes. Min ti be that. And I read the president's directive yesterday saying Ghana Forces 4 they should withdraw all Nkrofo omu juma for Galamsey kingpins in the first place it's an illegality. And if you are a security agent now you choose say who ye way Emma you can say Galamsey 4 the first thing to do when him say armed forces they have their own judicial arrangement how they go about their processes. I think the first thing to do is not to even say mumbravie. Take them through that process, no. Because if you say we just withdraw them, it doesn't deter anybody. We have to have a very serious deterrence regime. Ebema, whether we are security we are ordinary civilian, Ubeye Galamsey it should be very expensive. But China for cry chiomo, yamvomu ngonsawamu. The best they get is deportation. Chairman, Ghana ni be na betima akọ China akọ Galamsey. Chiwa they say we are Ghana until we are deporting you. They take you through their legal processes and if you are found guilty, they jail you. Why can't we do that? Look, say China for everyone say Ghana who be Galamsey na Chiwa and you say you call China you end up in a medium and some crime maximum security prison. In some is medium. Yes. If they realize that look there are jail terms to be served if you are found culpable of doing Galamsey. Me sure say China we the numbers are ebano esobeti. But
I think we constantly blame Chinese. But China ni bi anywhere. Obetimi asori abagana akeke abesin abetwem akọ Central region, Western region, Eastern region and Ashanti region. Absolutely. Yes. Yeah, near Chairman, you see, it is like the story of slavery. Only you say be seen there. You cut the story of slavery.
We blame the whites.
Yeah, the subono book was Bruni.
Yes.
But yan tone
The raiders were black men.
Yes.
Yes.
Some market in the one northern region.
Yeah, Salaga.
Salaga slave market.
Yes.
Yan ya kwachichi yenuano. Yan ya kwachichi yenuano.
And when sell them.
And ya kwaton yenuano ma brofo no.
Yes.
But
No, I agree.
But they say slavery no. I say yan ya party woman no. Ya prepare free ho.
No, yeah, sure that, yeah.
So
I agree.
in a few years from now, the story of Galamsey will be told and blamed on Chinese. But
Chairman, we're actually telling the story now, and the blame is on the Chinese.
as a Sampain crowd, Berhena Sampain crowd concession. I say, Debbie, Tio, or concession are a legal concession.
Chairman, you can't Galamsey who has them. When the word concession is mentioned, it's in context.
I know Galamsey, that's the question.
No, Galamsey, they also claim to have concessions, so Chairman. Galamsey, Nibia, Bizan, me concession war. Aha, me concession da. Ukosha, wakoto before na or the yen in yet the person refers to it as a concession. But Chairman, you can't hear no crap. Say, the local collaborators are actually the biggest problem. And politicians, in fact, there are some obvious politicians here in any more. And you see, we pretend a lot in this country. Chairman, politicians are Omejman Galamsey. That's all they do. Yet we don't have the courage to call them out. We all dance around the issue. We pretend it is not an issue. Oh, say politicians, we tend to blame the Chinese because that's the easiest and the cheapest target. But politicians are almost too Galamsey. Chairman, yes, surface mine almost too deep. Oh, I am yet to be told, say, oh, politician we are yet chino doing Galamsey. Yedinako Jina Dibia and the person is in jail. Minti bida. That is why I was making the point earlier, said, I do not want to believe the reason why we failed or we somewhat failed in sustaining the effort, attributable to the actions of some politicians and Nkrofua who usually hold governments to ransom during elections. And yeah, electors, politicians be or they will tell you, look, one man took me Galamsey, Sikana air me contributing, and I'll make sure, say, Ube Luzu elections. Oh. I listened to a DC, I think Wasa East Honum, no. Or see his attempts to fight Galamsey, no. Cost him politically because Emmanuel Luzi original as a candidate to be an MP. Yes, Emmanuel Luzi. Because those who control the local economies now in those areas, no, young Crawford Mutu Galamsey, no. And see, do we have the courage to call out politicians and everybody else are Oya Galamsey or Maimu? Because near years our onslaught now, okay, I don't want to believe this is the final onslaught. But I want to believe this is an onslaught that will be sustainable. And one leg of our onslaught here should be to call out politicians, let them face the law if they have to. But East Central Region, now Papebi Wawa, who was involved and later Yetitin, some say he was even engaged in the sale of Nyomabi and all of that. Chairman asked them na Ekosi saying, like, until the political class are very honest with themselves to say the problem is not just the Chinese and some local Galamseyers, but politicians be so and it doesn't matter whose axe is God. Yechua now we a politician, we are ordinary citizen, we are China ni, we are security person. It doesn't matter. We are nipa bene chiwa. I said to me di uko jina asem dibia. Then bu asem se udi for where you are supposed to go, Chairman, if we don't do that, look, Galamsey, it will all be rhetoric. Yebeka wants some brofa oh, this is devastating. When brofa Yebeka, but encosi because the root cause, when you are dealing with the symptoms and you are not looking at what really is causing the problem, Chairman, oh, you will be encosi. Intermediate, this strategy and this latest attack on Galamsey should be like the segments should be manifold, such that there should be a bit that deals with the political angle, the Chinese angle, the local collaborators, almost angle. No, Chinese angle. I've suggested say it should not just be about deportation. Chairman, who is deterred to come and do Galamsey if all I get after making millions of dollars destroying the environment in Ghana? And they say it didn't become a crew. You are just giving me a break. And you see, strangely, you do 1 month. They will be back here again. So what is happening at immigration? What is here? So our legal regime and now Crawford almost yes argument.
And they say almost say inti say o de son lane na call ya oba see your friend son die.
And yes, and we pretend not to know the difference. Say nyina say chairman, there's nothing like waste away fingerprints are unique.
Fingerprints are different, but almost say
but they say some people actually think young blacks so yes say.
Almost say Crawford say.
Chairman, the only common denominator is the height. But they look different if you ask me. Obia the way the person looks. But I'm saying say what regime bia epic fingerprints. Backroom her. Chairman, I've had the chance returning from the Republic of Gambaga with our airport. Chairman, Odruwa.
Odisa no be obeka be okoye.
We see Gambaga there. Yeah, the flight na go. Chairman, me free Gambaga by set time required to me the flight call. Now Republic of Gambaga. Chairman, when you are going through immigration, expatriates there I am yet to see like an immigration officer asking an expatriate say, "Oh yeah, they do backroom her." Chairman, who took one baby like US and elsewhere? Some actually get sent back. Depending on how you answer the question, what are you here for? Yeah, besides the Uber, they want to papa. So I'm saying, I am on Remumpo, who get a valid visa. Bagana had young China knew, oh, welcome. Now, the next question is anything for the boys. What is here? Chairman, how come if this is the attitude, say, young Husun Lee will come back as Jet Lee? What is here? And I think, say, we need to make sure, say, your immigration arrangement, the structure is more stringent when it comes to. I'm not saying, say, we should focus solely on Chinese, but for now, given the attack on Galamsey, we should be extra vigilant on Crawford or more backroom her from that part of the world. And like I said, deportation, in my view, is not deterring enough. And as secondly, so equipment be a backroom her. People import equipment idea Galamsey. Chairman, machines in the bar, we should be able to question some machines are air-based, such and farm machines, The only thing I heard here is Galamsey. Near Omodinam, almost saying, so if somebody is importing chamfam machines,
they don't import to.
They assemble here.
Some pass no Omodiba. And I'm sure we should be able to have our expertise.
I think now okay say swam oko my zina. I bet me I bought champagne Moses here. Obako kumpe. My Moses here. How would you know? Alata from panel beaters. Panel beaters for boy my bed there.
But I to conclude, I strongly believe, sir.
Yeah.
This onslaught is welcoming, is encouraging, but I am hesitant in my optimism because you won't be paying. 2017, we started really well. Chairman, it was commendable. Now, and after 2 years, we all stopped talking about Galamsey
because we thought we had crossed the bridge.
Exactly. And I think, sir, because of the magnitude of distraction, it has got to be a sustainable effort. After 2 years now, we go back to sleep. Because these guys are very good with timing. The very minute they realize they are buying any non-crop for and Shaddam BMB they will return. The sanction regime should be stronger, should be more deterring. And Yenina as Ghana for Chairman, we have a Whistleblowers Act. I am yet to be told how much we have made good use of that act. Because in Mrebi, I remember very well, we raised concerns about the lack of protection for whistleblowers in that act. In Ghana for Bibri now, Obi information be true. And particularly so say politicians be a woman. If I do not get the requisite protection, one year, my brother mum nebe basa. Until we need to look at all of these legal arrangements, I'm making sure that people are comfortable and courageous enough to step forward to say, look, your information waha, galamsey waha, assume see evidence and so on. And there should be a reward arrangement too, a reward scheme. Chairman said, if you can come to present evidence, say me who say galamsey waha, and these are the individuals involved. I mean, the state should be able to reward people who come forward with information like that. Esana, you would have made it a collective fight, and everybody would have felt a part of it. Esana will own it, and I'm very sure that it will be successful. But gidi na you will go back to sleep. They will return, and the menace of Galamsey will continue.
10:20.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.